Hey y'all, and welcome back. We're gonna jump right into this cook with me. You're gonna need a cabbage, some diced up onions, which is optional. Just remember with keto, you have to watch the carbs that are in onions, turkey smoked sausage, or whatever smoked sausage of your choice. And then I decided to throw in some bacon because it's my business. So yeah, I'm gonna throw in some bacon, and then I'm also going to add in some pepperoncinis with this as well. So basically, I have chopped up everything for the sake of this video. We're going to get right into it right now. Okay guys, so I'm going to make this all in one pan. So first things first, you're going to fry your bacon. Once that is halfway through, you will go ahead and throw in your sausages and your onion just to give everything that smoked flavor from the bacon and the sausage all together. So you can cook your sausages for however long you want. Me and baby particularly like ours a little bit crispy, so that's why they're like that. And of course, since we are on keto, I had to throw some butter in there for some healthy fat. So obviously I'm going to go ahead and throw in my cabbage. If you guys have not cooked cabbage before, cabbage does cook down since it is made of water. So you just have to let it simmer to its tenderness and then you're good to go. Okay, and on to my favorite part, the seasoning. I'll be using Flavor Guide Everything seasoning, the table blend Mission Stash, paprika, and red cayenne pepper, and black pepper. Mix it all in, guys. I'm a heavy seasoner because I like to taste my food. So yeah, you're going to mix that in with everything. Like I said, cabbage does cook down, so you have to stir it frequently. Okay, so remember those pepperoncinis that I had earlier? This is the kick right here. You're going to take and pour some of the juice out of the jar onto the cabbage while it's still cooking and throw in a few of the peppers in itself. Next, you'll go ahead and add in your sausage and bacon back in. Let it cook and simmer some more to your likeness for the cabbage. And then you guys are done, y'all. So this is a super low carb, low calorie dinner that literally takes only a few minutes. And voila, it is bomb.com. Let me know if you guys try it. Thanks and have a great one. Bye.